What we do is we line up our tractor so it goes right in the center of the row. Wheels will go into the furrows, and then we'll drop the potato digger right when we start digging. So we drop the potato plow a little bit ahead of the plants so it has a chance to dig down, and then we drop the potato digger all the way down, put the 3-point hitch lever all the way down, and then we'll start digging. We've slowed the tractor down to an idle, and you can regulate your shaker speed that way. This is how we wash our potatoes. Have them on a screen, wash the dirt off, raise the platform up a bit and wash them from the bottom. And then we'll let them dry and put them into crates and put them into the cold storage.